Hi everybody, it's CreativeSarah here, and today we're going to use the Love You More Dragonfly with our awesome double-sided pedestal frame, which is so cool. And I put the transfer down, and I'm just going to do a fun ombre technique using our eucalyptus, our shimmer eucalyptus, our shimmer melon, and our color of the month shimmer Duchess. Yay! So I'm using my finger to kind of smudge them together, mix them together, so you see the cool ombre effect. Now, check it out. I just had to wash my hands because they were a little bit chalky. Oh, it's so cute. You guys, look. It says Love You More. So I'm just going to go ahead and dry it, and then we will do a little embellishing. And watch what I do with these embellishments, you guys. I just want to add a little bit of, I just want to add a little bit of ribbon on there, but I didn't have perfectly matching ribbon. So I took a little bit of like an off-white and I just painted it with the chalk. You guys, I just painted it with the chalk. So now I have Duchess shimmer ribbon, and I'm going to apply it right to my design. I'm so excited. Of course, we need to dry the ribbon so that we can use it right away. So I'm just kind of holding it there with my detail tool and drying it with my quick dry trimmer or quick dry tool. Okay, so once that's dry, we can put all of our fun ribbon colors together. Everything coordinates with the colors of the chalk, and I'm just gonna lay it in here. This is the back side, remember, of the dragonfly, and this is the Love You More side. So we've got a fun double-sided piece. If you love this, you can go ahead and click the link in the description for shopping the products. Follow for more.